Hi, Fred here for another Tuesday Tent Talk with Matt Mutton from Muttons Party
and Tent Rental.
Mutton Party and Tent Rental.
Yep.
So what is the party of the tent rental?
Well, I think, that's the tabletop.
Tabletop stuff. Yep. So Matt came in a few weeks ago with your group. You have a group. Again, what's the name of your group?
Oh, we're the Flirty.
The Flirties. We're not going to go there today, right? So we're going to go more about the shop tour. You took a tour of our facility. Matt has been in a couple of other tent manufacturing facilities. When you took a tour of our facility at Fred's Tents, what stuck out? What did you like, or anything? What did you see different, or what did you like about it?
Well, obviously very organized. you've got some incredible systems and processes in place.
Thank you.
Makes sense, right?
Yeah.
But I don't think that we always appreciate that aspect on the purchasing side of it. We just see a tent that shows up and it works.
Right.
But there's a lot going into that process to get it there.
Yeah, there is a lot of moving parts from where the fabric comes in to where the frame meets up. There are a lot of segments there that really have to do and be put together to make that come off really well. So what are some of the extra things that you said? You were, before we went on film or on camera here, you were talking about some things that you were amazed of the labor,
Yeah, absolutely. I think when we think manufacturing, I think in this day and age you just think everything's automated, but there's still a lot of hand stitching going on. There's people feeding your welders, and there's a lot of people in that building making tent tops, which lines up. I think the other cool thing is some of the stuff you guys are out in front of with the RFID tags. We haven't made that leap, but I think that's a good value add.
We had another Tuesday Tent Talk about RFID tags. We're committed to put 100% of them in our rooftops. So what that will allow you to do is if you get a gun or a reader, in the future those tags will already be in it. So we put it in all tent top, Keter top, Stillwater, frame top, center peaks. So there is a cost. We may be a little bit more, but those add-on things, you saw the inspection process when they wrap it up, and we have the employees have an employee number that they assign to the bag tag that who did the inspection. So if we miss something on a drawing, or maybe they missed a grommet or a buckle, we can change on the drawing or get that person to do inspection. So all those things are labor, and labor costs a little bit of money, but overall you were pretty pleased with the plant. And anything else that sticks out? I know you had mentioned something about the printer. You were pretty amazed at the printer.
I think we're getting more and more demand for printed vinyl for marketing purposes, whatever it might be for our clients. I've never seen that up close and personal, but really impressive machines. And just a really cool product coming out of the end of it. So we had printed up some different prints for them to take it home. We have two different printers, flatbed, 2.5 meter, and then we have the 3 meter roll to roll that we were printing. Well, I want to thank you again and thank the group for coming out a few weeks ago. But what do you want to say about Mutton or the future of the industry? Anything you want to say before we go off film here?
Well,
that's a loaded question. I appreciate you setting me up for that. But,
sorry about that.
The world is our oyster. We just have to take advantage of everything. Go to work.
Go to work, and if you're going to party in a tent, think of Mutton Party Rental out there. Where's
Fort Wayne, Indiana.
Fort Wayne, Indiana. Appreciate you coming in all the way up to Waterford, New York. And for Fred at Fred's Tents, we'll see you next time on Tuesday Tent Top. And if you've got a topic, please email us in, and we'll try to do a video on that topic. See you soon.